online.
Last month, an AI agent was given a complex coding task and left running overnight. When the developer came back in the morning, the task was finished. 6 months ago, that wouldn't have happened. Something just shipped that changed what AI can do alone. Here's what it is, why it works, and what it means for you. This is Claude Opus 4.7, released April 16th, 2026 by Anthropic. It's their biggest single release coding improvement in the company's history. But that's not why it matters. To understand why it matters, you need to know what was broken before. For years, AI agents have promised to work unsupervised. The dream? Give them a complex task, walk away, come back to finished work. The reality has been different. Agents lose context mid-task. They hallucinate solutions. They give up halfway through. They produce work that looks correct, but isn't. Until very recently, every long-running AI agent had a human supervisor watching it work. The unsupervised version was a demo, not a product, and the AI industry knew it. 3 weeks before this launch, a senior AMD engineer publicly accused Claude of having quietly degraded. The internet piled on. Anthropic denied any deliberate changes. Whatever the truth, the pressure was real. Then on April 16th, this happened. Opus 4.7 didn't just match its predecessor, it posted the largest single version coding improvement Anthropic had ever shipped. The question was, how? The answer is something deceptively simple. The model checks its own work. Previous models would generate an answer and ship it. Opus 4.7 generates an answer, then verifies the answer is correct before reporting back. If it isn't, it tries again. It catches its own mistakes. That sounds small, it isn't. It's the difference between an agent that finishes the task and one that gives you garbage at 4 in the morning. Vision improved as well. The model now processes images at 3 times the resolution of any previous Claude model. For agents reading dense documents, technical diagrams, or interfaces, this is the unlock. Detail that was lost before is now visible, and the benchmarks confirm it. On SWE Bench Pro, the hardest standardized coding test, Opus 4.7 scored 64.3%, up from 53.4, beating GPT-5.4 at 57.7, and Gemini 3.1 Pro at 54.2. Best in class on the benchmark that matters most for production work. This is a real upgrade, but it's not a free one. But the real story isn't just the score. It's what Anthropic did with this release, because Opus 4.7 isn't even their best model. They're holding one back. It's called Mythos Preview, more capable. Held in limited release while they test new safety mechanisms. The model you can use is the one they think is safe to ship. There's a more powerful one in the lab, and it's coming. Subscribe, because the next release is closer than you think.